Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create drop-down lists in Excel step by step. Drop-down lists make it easier to enter data by allowing you to choose from a predefined list of options instead of typing everything manually. This helps keep your spreadsheet organized and reduces mistakes. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Open the workbook where you want to create a drop-down list. Next, select the cell or range of cells where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Then go to the Data tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Data Tools section, click on Data Validation. A data validation window will open. Under the Settings tab, find the Allow drop-down menu. Select List from the available options. Now you need to add the items that will appear in your drop-down list. In the source box, type your list items separated by commas. For example, you can enter yes, no, maybe. Alternatively, you can select a range of cells that already contains your list items. After entering your options, click OK. You will now see a small drop-down arrow in the selected cell. Click the arrow to view the available choices and select the option you need. You can also copy the drop-down list to other cells by copying the cell and pasting it into the desired location. If you need to edit or remove the drop-down list, select the cell again, go to Data Validation, and make your changes. Drop-down lists are especially useful for forms, surveys, reports, and spreadsheets where you want consistent data entry. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.